Probably put a little too much extra virgin olive oil on there, but yeah. I think it helps with the taste of the cheese. Big on that, but I'm gonna tuck into this, and we have another adventure today. I find it funny that the Metro has green e-stop buttons. Because I don't call this soul for nothing. Oh look! Lego comics. So this is the only station I've seen where you can walk from directly from one platform for one line to the other. So here's line 6. Behind us is the end of line 3. And so there's still a fest house up in January. Almost mid-January now.
Yeah,
and there's little castle bits here, and you know that area right there. You could go skiing and go. Finally meeting Chase. I kind of really tagged him at the end of episode 0. Right. And Bella
wrapping it up.
Yep. Tell me, you didn't even appear in that one. That ended when Carla left. Oh, okay. Emily and I at the airport.
Oh, I miss Carla. No, I love it.
Yeah.
And that's the way to the center of the park is this way. Oh, okay.
Appreciate the effort.
People to take a photo and they're like...
No. Well, you can, but no.
You can't have it.
You can't be obvious about it.
This is a good story.
So, yeah, we used to bring all that shit to the park and just run into so many different groups of people. Played soccer, volleyball.
girl, this is so scary. This is like a bit kind of scary. I'm glad I'm back here in the car. I'm like, I like things. No, I don't love them, but you know what? We gotta see it. We just can't.
Saw something on it, or just a random plane sitting there. I don't know if it's like something in Spain's military arsenal, something in the future, something in the past. Tell me if you know in the comments. Because answer my own question. Also, that's a government building. The dome. Seeing the archive, that's actually dedicated to Queen Victoria. That was right. You can see it on camera. There's some abandoned rail track passing by right here. Well, they wouldn't consider Natruleza as part of the University City. That's kind of what Moncloa is. If you car enough from here, you might be able to see Retiro. Beyond the Retiro. Oh, maybe not, but yeah, it's somewhere in that direction. The other tower over there, that is for the TV station. RTV. Versus is for a World Cup. The newest one of the things I've seen so far is from 2005. One of those buildings over there. It's all those buildings on the Gran Via. Were the first ones built in the American skyscraper style over here in Europe. Over there are Spain's twin towers. Face each other at 15 degrees. More towers are over there as well. Well, it's kind of like, I guess it's like kind of like the downtown, but it's like the group right there. Then you have the diagonal ones, and then over here you have the tower, particular satellite tower. Building of construction. 2 more towers right over there. A little bit than the rest, but some of the stuff here is from early mid-2000s. But yeah, once you go over that way, it tapers off into suburbia. So I'm just reading right here. It says it sounds like the modern palace might be a lot newer than you think. Sure, there's a lot more over there in the far southern end of Casa de Campo, where we actually were earlier in the vlog, surprisingly. Besides Parque de Atracciones in the zoo, there is, I think it's the southern part here, but I think it's south. There's like an area for like a fair. Like no seasonal stuff, I don't know. I'm not sure if that is the best. Which I don't have a Vismo, however, I do see, a station and, unique lift system. Has a bit of like the extra bit of stuff, but it's like an airtime hill and a cutback, like a stall. I believe, is on there. Can't remember off the top of my head, but well, so there's a sky ride over there. Goodbye. And on this clear day, I don't really think we'll be able to have that stuff. Yeah, kind of the sun's right in our face over here. So it looks like Escorial is over in that direction somewhere. But I'm going to, you know, stop for now because that's going to be another adventure. And, so yeah. So we're up here on the top of Moncloa. That leaves me one final thing to say. Buenas noches, buena suerte, hasta luego.